Try it yourself. Adding borders to HTML elements. In this Try It Yourself exercise, we'll apply border styles to particular HTML elements, such as p, span, and div. You can view the solution files in the book's Code Listings archive. In the Hour4 folder, look for the file hour0403.html, and in the CSS subfolder, hour0403.css. In the name of good folder structure, make sure that inside your Hour4 folder you have a subfolder named CSS, and build your CSS file inside of there. If we look at hour0403.html, we can see our call to the linked spreadsheet, and notice that it's looking at CSS. The lack of the ... tells us that that CSS folder should be at the same level as the hour0403.html source file, which it is. The document itself is extraordinarily simple. As you can see, we simply have a number of statements here in our body, all divvied out with unique IDs that are descriptive of the kind of border that we'll add using cascading style sheet code. Speaking of which, if we come to that hour0403.css file, we see a number of selectors that correspond to each of those ID values. Let's select the HTML file, do a File, Save All to make sure all of our work is saved, and then we can run the project in our web browser. I said that this is a particularly fun exercise because we see an excellent one-column display that shows us some of the formatting possibilities that CSS gives us. So if we bring the browser over and put it next to the source code, we can do easy cross-referencing, and then of course we can do the same thing with our CSS code.